guys, I'm here with the Talkabout T600 H2O from Motorola. You probably remember last year we did a Talkabout, but it wasn't like this one. This one has lots of upgrades on it. So while the one we did last year was great, this is perfect for us living on a lake and living, you know, where there's a lot of outdoor activities that involve snow. So perfect. Stay connected during your wildest outdoor adventures. From the mountains to the valley up to 35 miles, open water up to 6 miles, and the neighborhood up to 2 miles. So I'll take this out. I'll do an unboxing. We may need to charge it first. Okay, so here they are. You can see they're in that nice fluorescent weatherproof cover there. You can accessorize them with headsets, charging accessories, or extra faceplates to optimize the use of the two-way radios. They have rechargeable battery packs. Okay, so these have a built-in LED flashlight. That's something the others did not have. And you can also get the weather channel on them. So let me show you how to put the batteries in, and then we're going to charge them. Okay, now if these fall into the water, they float face up and it automatically activates the flashlight so you can find your unit. So here's the battery packs. Okay, and to put the batteries in, if you squeeze this, the clip will come off and then you can easily put the battery in.
Put the screwdriver right in there, you pull it up, and then this should come right off. Put this on it, so what is that right there? That's a, put this here so it can come out easier. See, is it this one or is it this one?
It's a security tab. Yeah, it's on.
Okay, so this side up, and you have, let me see, make sure, yeah, there's only one way to do it. The positive end goes down right here, so, and the negative goes up. So we put it in here, put that here so you can get it out easy. I think, yeah, okay. And then this should go in just fine. There, that's it. Put this in this way. It's not Motorola, it's Motorola.
And there's the charging plug. It's a two-ended plug, so it's one plug and it has two mini USB ports here.
I think you would want to make sure it's secure due to the waterproof rating it has on it. And it's not the best screwdriver for this, but I think that's good.
Okay, and then you can put the belt clip back on.
Here's where you charge it. That would be a little micro
USB, which is right here.
And then we can put this guy back on if you like it.
Charging port, and okay, I've attached the mini USB, and let's see, it says it's charging right there. Can you see the little battery indicator? So it is charging. I'm going to let them charge. You can see the flashlight is on the bottom. And so I'll charge them up and then get back to you from them. Okay, so these have been fully charged. We're going to turn it on now. You hit the mode button and you hold it in.
They come on channel 1.
And they should both be set to the same channel.
They are, let's see. Can you hear me? Hello? Let's see. This is Jimmy. Come in. I think we need to turn it up maybe. Can you hear me, honey?
Yeah. Why don't you go down into the basement?
Okay, first, also don't forget we have the light. The light is right. The flashlight would be
What's
right here on the
this orange
side.
button?
That's a SOS. So this is a flashlight right here. See right here. First it's red for, I guess, night vision, or you're not night vision, but you can see better in the dark. And then you got the white one if you hit the button quick. So it's pretty handy. Hold it in and see what happens. There. Turn it back on and see what happens. Good.
Okay, so
Then
this
you got a
is
headphone.
music mode. Oh, that's the ringer?
Yeah. Then you have a headphone here. Headphone switch there. Menu. So, is your volume up on yours? Let's see. Oh, mine's on 4. What's yours on?
1.
1. So hit the button in the middle there. The plus sign. Is it on?
4.
That's good. Okay.
To boost the power of your radio to high power, press the top portion of the push to talk button when talking. If you know your party's close by, you can conserve energy by pushing the lower part of the push to talk button to use less power. Okay, the push to talk button on the side, when you push the upper part, it's a high transmission. But if you know your party's close by, you can push the lower part and you'll conserve energy. It's in battery power, it's the low.
Come in. Can you hear me? No.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Is there static when I push the button and you hear me?
No, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Wait, that's how I can raise the volume.
Can you hear me loud and clear?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
I'm getting a little static.
You gotta hold the button in.
Do not place, now if you're in a vehicle with an airbag, do not place the portable radio in the area over an airbag or in an airbag deployment area. Airbags inflate with great force. The portable radio is placed in the airbag deployment area and the airbag inflates. The radio may be propelled with great force, cause serious injury. Alright, we'll look into this. Okay guys, so let's just go over some of the buttons here on this unit. So, of course we have the antenna. Never use it with a damaged antenna. We have an accessory port right here that opens up where you can plug in headphones or something. Then this is your emergency button. It's going to, oops. This is your emergency button. Okay. So you press it in to turn on and you press it in, it's a long press, okay, to turn off. Then on the side you have your flashlight button right here. Oh, we still have our emergency button going on there. Okay.
Earth to home base. This is Earth to home base. Come in.
I can hear you.
I cannot hear you so well. Maybe because I'm in the vehicle.
Okay.
Step out in space for a minute and see what's going on.
He's trying to call me from like 1,000 feet down the road inside a vehicle.
Okay. This is Jim. Out in space. Come in. Home base.
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
I hear you now.
Okay, I didn't have it close to my mouth, guys, so.
I'm down at the end of the road here at the bus stop, waiting for the kids. So I will talk to you later. This is Jim, over and out.
Okay. So, that, again, I said is like 1,000 feet down the road.
Turn to home base. Come in, please.
Yes?
I wanted to see how well how the volume was when you picked it up and spoke into it. Well, I'm inside my vehicle. I am in my vehicle now.
Okay, over and out.
Roger that.
Alright, so we have the flashlight button, which is right here. Comes on in red, and then, so red first, and then the white. Now, if this falls in the water, it'll float face up and the flashlight will turn on so that you can find it. The radio is waterproof to IP67 standards. It will withstand submersion under up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. The radio is resistant to water, rain, and splashes. Only when the battery cover and headset accessory port are sealed. Open the battery compartment door or headset port cover only when the radio is dry. Use of a headset accessory should be in dry environments only. The charging base and AC adapter are not waterproof. Do not expose the charger to rain or snow and charge the radios only when in a dry location. Do not place wet radios into the charging base. The radio floats with the included nickel metal hydride battery, which is 800 milliamps. It may not float with other batteries. Each radio can use either the 1 nickel metal hydride battery, rechargeable battery pack, or 3 AA alkaline batteries, and beeps when the batteries are low. Okay, so guys, there it is. We'll do some more tests with it and let you know how it is. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.